This is sweet. Got the little FPV camera attached to my Hot Wheels car, and I can drive it around and record the video from it using the remote. Let's see if it's moving. It's rad. So awesome.